Hey guys, PMHK here obviously, and it's the week of Black Friday. Now in this video we're going to be looking at a couple of early deals that are actually happening right now, and most of them are actually going to continue throughout Black Friday. Now I need you guys to remember that actually Black Friday, it's not just going to be a sale that will happen only on Friday. Most shops or online stores are actually going to continue, or they're going to extend the store until Cyber Monday, which is the Monday after Black Friday, which is probably going to be the 2nd. Now, if you are planning to go to physical stores, you actually need to be careful because it's really going to be a stampede, as it is usually every year. But even when you're actually going online, you need to actually be careful in terms of which sites you go and actually buy the stuff. Now, today when I was planning to make this video earlier on, I actually got a message from the bank giving me a couple of tips on how to stay safe while buying things online. Now, I'm gonna actually share it with you guys because I know you guys actually can make use of it. So they say when surfing and shopping online, these are safety tips. So it says don't click on links within emails and SMSs. Don't share your OTP with anyone. Never share your banking details or username and password with anyone, including shopping websites or people claiming to be representatives of the bank. Only shop in secure websites starting with HTTPS. The S actually at the end of HTTPS means secure. Where possible, check out as a guest. Never store your banking details. Now it goes on and saying that how to stop a bad deal. So it says look out for bad grammar and spelling errors. That's actually something I actually always tell people, like websites that are actually fraudulent tend to make a lot of mistakes while they're actually creating that website. So that's something that you guys actually need to look out for. And then it says also check the sender's email address. Reputable online shops often use their own domain. Now, like for example, takealot.com obviously uses takealot.com. The domain will be takealot. So even when they're sending you an email, it's going to be something at takealot.com. And the last one is long URLs might be a sign of fake websites. So check the URL on your PC and verify. Now, these are some of the safety tips that you actually need to go through when shopping online, which is actually what I recommend every Black Friday, or whenever I make a Black Friday video. I normally recommend that you guys try and stay on your computers, shop online and avoid physical stores because they tend to be really a stampede and it's really not safe. Now let's just go through a couple of steal deals that I managed to come across. Most of them are actually from Takealot, which is actually the easiest website for you guys to go and check Black Friday deals. Now, Takealot doesn't sponsor me or whatsoever, but now if any representative from Takealot is watching this video, you can always get a hold of me by sending me an email or just get hold of me through my social, which is down in the description. And for you guys that are actually watching this video, make sure you go down in the description or close to the description and hit the thumbs up. Obviously, and subscribe if you're new to the channel and you actually like what I'm doing on this channel. So Takealot Black Friday's deal are called Blue Dot Sales. They came up with their own name, and it's gonna go through from the 24th to the 28th of November. That's the early access sale, which obviously by the time you watch this video, it's actually been happening, and you should actually go. Obviously, after you watch the video, you can actually go and check these sales out. Now, on my phone is actually much easier to navigate, but I'm going to be showing you guys from the computer. I actually love or prefer using the mobile app than the PC app. It's actually more intuitive, I must say. Now, it says here Blue Dot Early Access Sale, so we're gonna click on that, and we're gonna try and go to some tech deals that you guys can actually go through. So let's see. All right, so if you scroll all the way down, you will see shop deals. You will see early access tech deals, and that's what we're looking for. Obviously, if you want appliances deal, you click on appliances. Otherwise, we are here to check some of the tech deals under early access, which should actually be finishing on the 28th, which is actually the day that you're watching this video. Now, if you scroll, you can see you have Garmin there, and you're saving 2,000 rands on this watch. This is actually really good promotion. Wow, actually you're not saving 2,000 rand. It used to be 2,089. Now it's 1,600. My mistake. And then you have a camera if you may be planning to go or to start a YouTube channel. Here's a mirrorless camera, the EOS M6 with an 18 to 156 millimeter lens. Used to be 11,900. That's basically 12,000. Used to be 12,000. Now it's going for 8,000, 7,999. And now you have the Sonos here. As you guys know, I have a Sonos system in the house. This is a wireless music system which you can actually control from your smartphone. You can actually pair these speakers. So if, let's say if you have 5 or 6 speakers around the house, you can pair them and play them all together, or you can actually play individual songs in each speaker. These are really good speakers and the quality is actually really good. So they used to go for 5,000 and now they are 2,700. Now if you want to grab a SSD which is gonna actually speed up your computer, like this computer that I have here, it's a late 2011 MacBook Pro 13-inch. I changed the physical hard drive to an SSD, which has actually boosted the speed of the computer much more than what it used to be. So scrolling down, you have Xiaomi smartphone Redmi 632, which is also looks like it's a nice deal. Was going for 1,800. Now was going for 2,400. Now it's going for 1,800. Now even physical stores also are having this early access store, just like Dion Wire. They're having their early access sale, which started on the 26th of, if I'm not mistaken, 26th of November, and it's going all the way to the 1st of December, which is this coming Sunday. Now I actually went to the store to go check what they have, and actually this is how it went. So at the mall, I came to the closest Dion Wire that there is close to where I stay. So I'm gonna go try and see if they actually have anything that's on early access sale, just for you guys to see that maybe you can also come here and try your luck for this coming Black Friday. I'm gonna have to walk on the mall. I'm using my phone. Hopefully they're not gonna see that I'm recording. I actually wanted to bring the big camera, but I decided to just bring the phone so I can actually record on the download, so I don't have to ask for permission to record, and they might actually say no. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. What's nice about recording with the phone is that you can actually just act like you're speaking on a phone and just record, and hopefully you don't actually get caught doing it. But yeah, I have to actually walk until the store, which is a bit at the other end of the mall. But let's get to there. So I arrived at Dion White. Best way actually for you guys to see if they have any specials is by first actually check their catalog. Normally Dion White keeps their catalog on the front door as soon as you enter, and as you can see there's a lot of save this, save that. There's a TV. But expensive. 40-inch, 2,000, 4,000. Since they 43-inch, 55-inch for 8,000. PlayStation 4 bundle. Save 1,500. Not much of a saving. I think I saw an Xbox One online where you're paying 3,500 for a nice 1 terabyte bundle. So I managed to find a few deals, especially on TVs. There was a QLED TV going for a saving of 6,000. There were other curved TV, UHD TVs also on promotion. I managed to find an Apple Magic Keyboard for half the price, going for 1,500, and also a MacBook Pro 13-inch going for 19,000. That was actually a demo unit that we're actually getting rid of. Thank you so much for watching this quick video on what's going on for Black Friday, what is on sale between Take A Lot and Dion Wire, which are actually two of my favorite stores. One, I only do mainly online shopping. Dion Wire is where I go if I want to see something physically. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Also make sure you click the notification bells button to get notified whenever I upload a video. Otherwise, I'm going to catch you guys on my next video. Peace.